Hi, so today I will show you how to create the first simple Java program to say a statement, to print out a statement. So first we can use Eclipse, so just download from eclipse.org, and the latest version should be Luna, L-U-N-A, Luna. So this one is the older version I have, Kepler. So to get Eclipse, let's open browser since I'm waiting for Eclipse to show up. And like I said, go to eclipse.org and click on download. Now it's very important to know your operating system is 64 bits or 32 bits. How to check that? So if it depends on your PC, like if it is Windows 8, like I using Windows 8, so it's going to be 64 bits. Otherwise, let me show you how to check this. Right click on this PC, go to properties. You see 64 bits right there. Like I said, if you use Windows 8, it's supposed to be 64 bit. Other versions, just right click on my computer or this PC and properties. So now we know that we need a 64 bits, so download that. I just show you, right? Once again, go to eclipse.org and download. And since you already identify your operating system is 64 bits, so get that one if you use Windows. If you have Mac, we have Mac. If you have Linux, you have Linux version. Okay, so after download, you're pretty much just going to extract it. Click on download, right? Go to the link and save the file. Pick your folder. Normally by default it's going to go to download folder, and then it's going to be a zip folder. Extract it. Okay. Alright, so we're waiting for that. I'm going to jump to download folder, which is going to come up here soon. Now, right there, right, but still wait until it's done, and then just extract it. Right click, extract all. Okay, and then you just open the folder. So once you get into the folder, so it's coming. So once you get into the folder, we're looking for Eclipse icon. Just double click that and you will have Eclipse showing up. Okay, so now I might see question which version. You can either get the IDE, the first one, or EE. This one I'm using EE here. For the first class, if you don't do the web application, this one is enough and just light. So get the Eclipse IDE for Java developers, first one. Alright, so it should be done. Now let's extract this. It's still doing it, so that's why I can extract. Alright, so we gotta come back and show you that. It should be very simple. Now after that, you just launch Eclipse. You see an icon in the folder like that icon, Eclipse. Just launch it. Alright, so and you see the environments just look like that, but it's going to be look different because different version and different so I'm going to show you from the right one, then you're not getting confused. So let me try to extract again to see if it's done. So it's not finished yet. So it's done downloading. I'm going to extract this. Alright, so extract is done. So we have a folder coming out here. Go into the folder, we have Eclipse, and this is it that you want to launch. So let's launch it. So when you install or download this on your home machine, I recommend just right click and send to desktop. Then next time when you want to launch, you just go into the desktop. It's right there. Okay, and you can pick location to put your Eclipse folder. Like you don't want to leave it inside your download, so good place is under documents or your C. Alright, so just cut and paste them in there. Now when you launch, it's going to ask you for a workspace. So Eclipse is depending on the workspace, pretty much as a folder where you put your files. So I'm going to leave it as default. Alright, so since I have it open on the other one, so we cannot open two workspaces at the same time. Just close the other one. Okay, it's loading up now. Okay, so let's say this is a Luna version. Let me show you one more time. Go to your desktop, right? So I'm closing this up first. Double click on this. This is the latest version that we just get, Luna. And like I said, you can leave it as default, or now for some of the machine, if you're under administrator, you don't have the administrator rights, then you're going to run into problems because you cannot create a folder in that location. You can put on your desktop, make new folder, name workspace. Let me do it one more time. Desktop, new folder, name workspace. Right, and click OK, click OK. So it's opening up. Alright, so now when you have a fresh workspace, it's going to look like that. Like before, I open in another workspace that I have several projects in Java, it's going to look different. But if it's brand new, then you can see welcome page. Feel free to just walk yourself through this. For now, I'm going to close this. Alright, so we're going to create a new project. Go to File, New, and make sure you pick Java Project. File, New, Java Project. And project name. I'm going to write a program name Hello World. And it's very common that when you first start, your first program in programming is going to be a Hello World program. Right click on the project, new class. Okay, that you just create a project, right click, new class, name, it's very important that this name has to follow the convention. Naming convention means title case or first one has to be uppercase, no spaces, no numbers, no special characters, just the name. And between the words you can do like uppercase. Alright, so if you have this is your first hello world, you're going to need to type public static void main string, and of course this is case sensitive, right? Case sensitive means lowercase, uppercase means different. String has to be capitalized S. Open and curly braces, enter, close it, will fill up by cell with Eclipse. System, S has to be capitalized, out dot print ln. Make it simple, print first hello world inside a quote, in statement with semicolon. Ctrl S to save it, or just click this to save it. And then hit the play button. You see hello world at the bottom. Congratulations on your first program in Java. Hello world. This is a console. Again, a lot of you may get into trouble like why I don't get like you have, because you want to go back and check if you type exactly what I did. Spaces, uppercase, quotations, semicolon. Okay, if you're missing one, Eclipse will not be happy. Like for example, spelling wrong. You had the rate right there. Lowercase is red again. And if you read this, it's going to tell you why. It's looking for uppercase. You see that? String cannot be resolved to a type. And it also suggests you that how to fix the problem. Okay, this has to be uppercase, so case sensitive. And again, after you save your file and hit run, you get output. So that's one way. Now let me show you another way. New class. Another way is you don't need to type that, then you don't have to worry. Use this, check this. I'm going to create hello this time. You don't want to have the same name in the same project, that's why. It's going to write the code for you, right? But you have to at least know how to print it out by using system.out.print, and make sure that S is capitalized, and then you should be happy. Put a quotation, double quote, hello world. Always end with semicolon. If you don't have that, you're going to be in trouble. Like for example, if I left it out, it's going to be an error right there. It's telling you syntax errors. Insert the semicolon to complete the block statements. It suggests you how to fix that too. So that's why we love Eclipse. Run it, we get hello world. Alright, thank you for watching. So practice on this exercise. I want you to write a program to say, I love Java. Java is fun. I love Java. Java is fun. Alright. Bye-bye. So if you have questions about the program, please feel free to email me at my last name is kian1chai@gmail.com. Alright, thank you for watching. Enjoy programs. Happy coding.